Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Secura 10-in-1 Convenient Detachable Steam Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: 1200-watt powerful steam mop offers deep steam cleaning. 300 ml huge capacity tank for constant cleaning. 25 to 30 seconds to heat up. 10-in-1 multifunctional cleaner. This is one of the most powerful steam cleaners you have ever come across. It boasts 1200 watts of power, and this not only enables it to deep clean, but also gives it the power to get rid of up to 99.99% of dust mites and bacteria. The carpet boost attachment is excellent if you have a pet or child who likes to track mud and grime around your house. If you're tired of feeling gross every night before bed, this attachment will have your mattress cleaner than new in minutes. The shower head attachment cleans the gunk out of those hard-to-reach places in just minutes. It's also great for soaping up your bird bath, as it includes a scrubbing brush that will get all the dirt off while you're at it. This attachment is a great all-in-one solution. It has brushes to scrub the surfaces, as well as a squeegee for your windows. The bathroom cleaner also includes an extra meeting that's extraordinary for cleaning those hard-to-reach places, such as shower doors or around toilets. The grout cleaner removes the stubborn stains that have been around forever, while the polishing brush will leave a lustrous shine. This attachment is great for your patio pavers as it removes all the dirt, algae, and mold that can cause staining. The floor mop will quickly grab up any spill you have on your floors with its microfiber pad. This head helps clean windows without leaving streaks or fingerprints left behind. Pros: steam adjustment knob tailored to your needs, including an ironing brush and window cleaning tool. Comes with plenty of nozzles and attachments. Can be used in all kinds of floors and surfaces. Cons: the small water reservoir will need regularly refilling for larger areas.